Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much, Jay Shetty, for inviting me on this wonderful podcast, on this wonderful YouTube channel on purpose. It's my privilege to have here, and I'm so glad that you invited me. So let's start my topic. Today, basically, I'm gonna share like such a huge star, such a huge uh, popular personality. I'm not uh, flexing. I'm not flexing, but I want to explain something with this. As I'm such a popular personality, so I also have some problems. I face some problems about which I want solution from you guys. You comment and you tell me how to overcome with those problems. And there are a lot of problems of those problems. There are a lot of problems of which I have solutions, but there are also of which I don't have. So we will have a good uh, purposeful talk today, and we're gonna learn a lot of good things today. So let's start this. And okay, let's do it. So first of all I would like to start with this thing. Like, I don't know what to say this. you know Whenever it happens with people whom who are not well being known to me, who are not well known to me, yeah, who are not well known to me. It happens with those people who are not well known to me. Like, it could be a girl, it could be a boy. uh, if we are two, like me and that person, so I sometimes get lost in what to speak. Like when I face that person, i I am thinking in mind, I am thinking in my mind that I have to speak in good way. I have to leave a last impact. And during that thought processing, during that thought processing, I lost myself. I lost how I deal with people, how I communicate. That mind thing I lost. I I I lose that thing, and due to this, I'm not able to being what I am as, and it leaves me empty, and I don't understand. I can't able to understand what am I speaking. Am I speaking correct? And then when I have conversation with them also, so I thought the thoughts I I start thinking that I messed up everything, and it doesn't feels me like that. We had a meaningful talk. I was in my 100%. So this thing happens with me a lot of time, especially when I'm in front of someone who is not well known to me. I want to find solution of it. I'm trying. I'm doing my best, but let's see how I overcome with this problem. And I want your suggestions. I want to learn from you guys. If you also struggles, if you also face the same problem, and it will be helpful for me if you could help me. Apart from this, if I explain this problem in more detail, then it mainly it mainly kind of thing. Like, uh, like there's someone in front of me, not well known. So how it starts, I perceive, I anti not I I used to think that I have to nahi, I need to have a best conversation with this person. I need to live last impact. I think that's the that's the point from where problem starts. And then I start thinking, now when this happened, then it suddenly what suddenly happens, like in my mind I used to think with maybe their perspective, how he's speaking, how he's reacting, and I accordingly speak, not what I'm actually is. I don't speak with my own personality, but with the of I don't know of whom. That's the problem, you know. I'm sharing this thing with you guys. I got a friend. I got a friend that will it also happen when I meet someone who have potential qualities to spend life with me. I got afraid about it and I don't know how to overcome with this. Just wait for a while. So I faced this problem. I wanted to find solution of it, and I believe that this could not be this can't be possible without your help. So if any one of you could suggest me something, I would be so happy to have those suggestions with me. Now let's okay. Oops. Okay. Apart from this, let's start with what I can uh, what teachings I can give you today. I try to be my best and give you something which is valuable for you, which useful for you. Okay, so we have 7 minutes. We have 6.5 minutes. Let's start it. Hmm. Okay, I will share with you. Uh, I have completed my first year. When I completed my first year in IMBG, a prestigious institution of management, there was a subject named Science of Well-being. So there are a lot of lessons I have learned from there. I learned. Okay, I had spent in that one specific year 5 lakh rupees on that year, and I learned few things that I want to share with you also. Okay, so uh, okay, first learning is life will throw you curveballs. Now, what is curveballs? Curveballs basically means those uncertain things, those unpredictable thing that you haven't thought about, but you faced it. So that's the truth, and you need to accept it, and then move forward. You have to accept that thing so that you could be prepared if in future you face those things. Okay, why everything is black. Okay, and if I talk about second thing, then oh my god, it's totally got black. Yeah. Okay, let's make it. Apart from this, blackjack. mm, what I have learned something so special that I could teach you. You know, when I was there, now, when I was there, I haven't played any game. When when I was when I was uh, planning, when I was preparing to head IIM Bodh Gaya. So when I was planning to head IIM Bodh Gaya, there are a lot of things in my mind. There are a lot of you know things that I decided to do there. That I will make a lot of friends. I'll do everything. I'll study hard. I play games. But then later, but when later time passed, time when I entered, when I stepped in there, then I realized how hard it is, how tough it is to survive there. Like the dream of making friends, oh, the, the dream of making a lot of friends was dream. It's a lie. It's not truth. We can't make a lot of friends. Okay, we could have good connection. We could have good relations with people around us, but we can't make everyone a good friend. Good friend. And if now someone asks me definition of good friend, then a good friend basically refers refers to a circle of maybe max 2, maybe max 3 to 4. That's max. It's maybe around 2 2 to 4 people who could die for each other, who loves to have time with each other, who loves to share things with each other. And that's what the friendship is. I I planned like I planned to play sports also, but I haven't played a single sport. I don't know, and the reason behind it, I believe, when I uh, entered in IMEG, so I've got a bit lost. Like there was a lot of pressure there, like assignments, committee selections, club selection. Though I don't know, I have also worked hard. There wasn't any uh, you know there wasn't any there wasn't any kami in my hard work. I believe I gave my 100%. I worked hard, but still I got rejected from a lot of committees. Yeah, I don't know, but I've got lost there. Like I ex- though I earned experience, but I worked hard. I learned things, and I'll keep learning, keep doing my best. Let's see what future will bring to me. And as you can see, still, after facing a lot of rejection, a lot of problems, still I'm at a good place. So problems make us tough. With that statement, I would like to end this video. I hope that I will get help from you and you also got some help from me. Bye.